Look at my backyard, flooded. This is the first time I've seen a flood in like 2 years. It's the rain and all that snow that was here. Guess it just overpowered. What I should do now is just go back there and throw some wood chips in that bed right there. 2-3 bags of wood chips and see if that would just, it wouldn't, because look how much water is in between it. Holy moly. Well, we got 3 beds to put down there. Hopefully that will help with this water situation. But look, here's flooded, right? Over there is not. It rained all day yesterday, but it won't rain today until like later on tonight. What I'm gonna do now is to see if I put some wood chips in here, would it soak up the water and dissipate it or let it dry faster. It's just a experiment to see what will happen. All right, so stay tuned. That's a 2-bed, and I made up the other one, 3. So stay tuned and let's see, huh? Remember I was telling you, backyard's still flooded, and I told you I was gonna do an experiment. So the experiment was to throw the wood chips down in the bed and see what happened. Throw the wood chips. Seemed like working somewhat. Somewhat. See, sucking it up here. Problem is I don't want to make it too high. I don't want to make it too high. But this is good. Still a little soaked, but this is good. Over there you can see it's still water. See? But if I should make this the bed, like the natural bed, that what I'm gonna do. All this water be gone. At least the water would stay over there. Have to figure out what to do with all this water. So this is a combination of the snow melting in the backyard and the rain from last night. But by Monday it should evaporate. Should.